Ever wondered how businesses make informed decisions? Welcome to the intriguing world of data analytics, the hidden force behind many successful business strategies. Essentially, data analytics is the process of examining, cleaning, and transforming raw data into useful information for decision-making purposes. It provides a lens through which businesses can understand their performance, identify trends, and make strategic decisions. Take, for example, a retail business. By utilizing data analytics, they were able to delve into customer behavior, understand what products were most appealing, and even identify the optimal placement of these products within the store. The result? A significant increase in sales, all thanks to the power of data analytics. Imagine if this business hadn't tapped into this powerful tool, they could have missed out on valuable insights, leaving potential profits unclaimed. So the next time you see a business making strategic moves, remember this. Without data analytics, this retail business could have missed the opportunity to maximize its sales. So what exactly is data analytics? Well, imagine you're given a massive jigsaw puzzle, but it's all scrambled up. Your job is to piece it together and make sense of the picture. That's what data analytics is. Examining raw data to draw insightful conclusions. Now let's break it down further. Data analytics can be classified into 4 types: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. Descriptive analytics tells you what happened in the past, like a history book. Diagnostic analytics goes a step further to explain why it happened, akin to a detective solving a mystery. Predictive analytics, as the name suggests, forecasts what might happen in the future, much like a weather report. Lastly, prescriptive analytics suggests what steps should be taken, acting as your trusted guide. These different types of analytics help businesses understand their past, present, and future, enabling them to make informed decisions. Data analytics isn't just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that businesses can use to navigate their path to success. But how does data analytics impact various industries? Good question. Let's dive into it. Across the board, data analytics is revolutionizing how industries operate. Take healthcare, for instance. By analyzing patterns and trends, providers can predict disease outbreaks, improving patient care. Now consider the banking sector. Data analytics can be used to detect fraudulent transactions, enhancing the security of our finances. And it doesn't stop there. Marketers can delve into data to understand their target audience better, making their campaigns more effective and personalized. Let's use a real-world example. A logistics company once employed data analytics to optimize its routes. The result? A significant reduction in fuel consumption and improved delivery times. In essence, the company became more efficient and environmentally friendly, all thanks to data analytics. Data analytics is transforming the way we live and work, making it an exciting field to explore.